Today we'll be doing another coding map problem from Map-2 called wordlen. And the problem reads, given an array of strings, return a map type string integer containing a key for every different string in the array, and the value is that string's length. So first of all, we need to create a new map of type string for its key and integer for its value, and we will name it map. And then we need to iterate through the array of the strings. And every value in the string is going to be a key in the map, and the length of the value of the string is going to be its value. So map.put strings at I, and its value is going to be its length. So strings at I dot length. And then if we return the map, that should give us the answer. Thank you for watching.